Hello, my name is Angela Omorin, and today we'll be talking on Python functions. A function is a block of code which executes a specific action. There are several inbuilt Python functions. For example, we have the print function, which gives an output, the sum function, which adds arguments and returns a result. We also have the length function, which returns the number of elements in an object. So what is an argument? Arguments are information passed into a function. Arguments are specified after a function name inside the parentheses. A function must be called with the correct number of arguments. For example, we have a function, my function, which takes two arguments, first name and last name, and is expected to print first name and last name. So when this function is called and run, it prints the first name, Emil, and Lawrence, the last name. So how do we create a function? In Python, a function is defined using the def keyword followed by the function name, a pair of brackets, and a colon. On the next line, the command to be executed by the function is stated. For example, we have def, which is a keyword. This function, the parentheses, a pair of parentheses, and a colon. The argument is passed in here, and this function is to print my name is plus the first name. So how do we call a function? To call a function, use the function name followed by the parentheses. The arguments for the function is stated in the parentheses. The number of arguments provided when the function was created is expected to be in the parentheses. For example, def, this function first name, prints my name is plus the first name. In this function, to use this function, we use the function name, open a bracket, in the parentheses you pass the argument, which is Peter. So this function returns my name is Peter. How do we return value? A function can return data as result. To let a function return a value, use the return statement. For an example, we have a function that takes in one argument and it returns a result multiplied by 5. So if you run this statement, the print state function, it returns 15, because when you call this function, my function, with an argument 3, it multiplies 3 by 5 and returns a result which is 15. Thank you. You can follow me on LinkedIn at Angela Omorin. Bye. See you.